Here are the top 5 foods for muscle growth. Number 1, eggs. Loaded with high-quality protein and essential amino acids, eggs are a muscle-building staple. They provide the building blocks your muscles need to repair and grow stronger after tough workouts. 2, quinoa. This versatile grain is not only a great source of protein, but also rich in complex carbohydrates, providing sustained energy for your workouts. Plus, it's packed with essential vitamins and minerals to support muscle function. 3, salmon. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids and high-quality protein, salmon is an excellent choice for muscle growth and recovery. Omega-3s help reduce inflammation, allowing your muscles to recover faster and grow stronger. 4, chickpeas. Packed with protein, fiber, and carbohydrates, chickpeas are a plant-based powerhouse for muscle growth. They provide a steady release of energy and essential nutrients to support muscle repair and growth. 5, cottage cheese. With its high protein content and low fat, cottage cheese is a perfect post-workout snack to fuel muscle recovery. It's also rich in casein protein, which digests slowly, providing your muscles with a steady supply of amino acids throughout the night. Subscribe for more.